One of the questions that people ask, and it's a great question, is why does drain tile in a farm field work? And why can't we just do that in our backyard? Well, it rained a couple days ago, and you can see the drain tile's working on this farm, but you can see it's slowly working. Most people are not going to be very tolerant to ponding and pooling in their yard for their dogs to run through and their children to have to play in. So we have to build a system that moves the water much quicker, much faster than the drain tiles that are designed to drain agricultural properties. Plus, they do have failure too. And let me explain. I happen to live in an agricultural district. My background, I'm a licensed builder. I've built commercial water features, things that had to withstand the winter in Michigan, so that come spring, you could fire them up, and they ran properly. Outdoor kitchens and bars, outdoor living spaces, indoor plumbing. So I do build a hybrid system, and I've taken a lot of things from the farmers. So here, I want to show you something. They're doing a development down the street, which means they're stripping a farm and they're developing the property. So I went and picked up some of the drain tile that's been torn up out of the ground. You see how it's full of dirt? So here's what I can teach you about the farm. When you do agricultural, you know, acres and acres and acres of agricultural property, and you tile, and you're not using the stone, and basically early on, the first several hundred feet, there's not very much water, so you're going to build up a lot of dirt. But as you get further and further and further on that run, they have runs so much longer than what we do residentially that eventually they have enough water to wash sediment out. Now, like this piece has some dirt in it, but it's not as bad. It was further down. You know, when they start running, you know, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 or 5,000 feet of pipe, now it's coming out like a fire hose towards the end from the water that's collected. Now, if you have a farm with sand, you know, you could run, you know, pinhole. Don't use this for residential. It just doesn't move the water fast enough. We can go back to that opening shot where there's water standing and it's taking days for it to finally make its way into the drain tile. You know, here's another piece. This was early in the run on the farm. It's completely plugged. So what some farmers will do, either in like real flat spots where there's no slope or the beginning, they'll run a wrapped pipe to prevent that, and then go to a pipe with no wrap, you know, just for economics. But for a residential system to move water fast, you have to have the stone. And for it to last, you want to wrap the stone and pipe included. You want to burrito wrap it, have it fully contained. To learn more, hit the subscribe button.